A cup of joe can be a real savior during early mornings. However, Wide-Eyed Energy isn't the only plus. Their paper filters can be a handy tool too. Here are 4 genius household hacks for coffee filters.
Coinage. Life well spent. Presented by Geico.
Worried about chipping your pricey china? Place a layer of filters in between dinnerware like teacups or plates. The simple addition prevents cracks and will ultimately make your goods last longer. Don't spend your money on odor-eliminating products. Instead, stuff filters with baking soda. Once they're perfectly plump, tie the paper with a piece of ribbon or floss. Your litter box or gym bag will smell instantly better for only $5. Mirrors attract fingerprints and other smudges like water or toothpaste. Toss aside paper towels and try using a filter. They're much more durable and won't shed lint like a cloth. Pick up a bottle of glass spray for an added touch of shine for $3. For those with kids, coffee filters work as an easy snack bowl. Don't stress about your little ones breaking glasses or devouring a whole bag of chips. Just fill them up and send your youngins on their merry way. With 1 pack of $2 coffee filters, your household will improve for the better.
Coinage. Life well spent. Presented by Geico.